Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how we can stop automatic downloads on Google Chrome. So this is on my mobile. The same thing you can do on laptop and desktop version also. And this is my Chrome app. And when you are browsing few websites on Chrome, you may observe at some times there will be automatic downloads. Not only a single file download but multiple file download gets downloaded. So this may harm our device. Some maybe malwares or such type of softwares when we visit a specific website. So how we can stop them? So open Chrome, and you need to click on these three dots at right top corner, and at bottom you will see settings. Tap on settings and scroll down and you find site settings. Click on that site settings and scroll down, and here you will see like automatic downloads. And basically this is enabled. It will ask first, but initially one file gets downloaded and then it will ask, Chrome will ask for the next download. So how to block this? Just disable this so that Google will stop automatic download. So when and only you click a download action, then only the file gets downloaded. So this is very important for the security purpose for our device. So if you manually choose to download some file, then only that gets downloaded. For example, if you want a trusted site that you can download automatic downloads, you can enter that URL here. And so this is a exception. So this setting won't be working on this site which you have added here, so that from that side automatically downloads get started. So for security reason, if you want to disable this, you can use this option. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.